Welcome to Global Path Holidays, your premier B2B tour operator specializing in enchanting destinations across Uttarakhand. Embark on a journey with us to explore the pristine beauty and spiritual essence of Nainital, Mussoorie, Rishikesh, Kausni, Tungnath, Chopta, Ranikhet, Almora, and the sacred Char Dham circuit. Nestled amidst the Himalayas, Nainital beckons travelers with its tranquil lakes and lush landscapes. Global Path Holidays offers curated tour packages to Nainital, ensuring an unforgettable experience for your clients. From boating on Naini Lake to exploring the vibrant markets, every moment promises a delightful adventure. Mussoorie, often referred to as the Queen of the Hills, exudes a charm that captivates visitors from around the world. As your trusted partner, Global Path Holidays crafts tailored itineraries to Mussoorie, showcasing its majestic waterfalls, scenic viewpoints, and colonial heritage. Let your clients immerse themselves in the serene atmosphere and revel in the beauty of this hill station. Rishikesh, situated on the banks of the sacred Ganges River, is renowned as the yoga capital of the world. Global Path Holidays invites you to discover the spiritual ambience of Rishikesh through our thoughtfully curated tour packages. Whether your clients seek adventure through river rafting or seek solace in meditation, Rishikesh offers an array of experiences for every traveler. Kausani, blessed with panoramic views of the Himalayan peaks, is a haven for nature enthusiasts. Global Path Holidays showcases the breathtaking beauty of Kausani through meticulously planned excursions. From witnessing sunrise over the snow-capped mountains to exploring verdant tea estates, Kausani promises an idyllic retreat for your clients. Tungnath and Chopta offer a serene escape amidst alpine meadows and ancient temples. Global Path Holidays invites you to embark on a spiritual journey to these sacred sites, where tranquility reigns supreme. With our expert guidance, your clients can trek to Tungnath, the highest Shiva temple in the world, and soak in the mystical aura of Chopta's lush forests. Ranikhet and Almora, adorned with pine forests and meandering trails, is a picturesque hill station awaiting exploration. Global Path Holidays curates bespoke tours to Ranikhet, allowing your clients to unwind amidst nature's splendor. Whether indulging in birdwatching or visiting historical landmarks, Ranikhet offers a serene retreat away from the hustle and bustle of city life. The Char Dham circuit comprising Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, and Badrinath holds immense religious significance for Hindus worldwide. Global Path Holidays offers comprehensive pilgrimage tours to the Char Dham sites, ensuring a seamless and spiritually enriching experience for your clients. Let us guide your clients on a transformative journey to these sacred abodes nestled in the lap of the Himalayas.